Hello, my name is Jen. I am the Dispatch and Customer Service Manager at First Call Jewel. I would like to introduce our dispatchers, who are real people that answer your call with a smile. They are ready to assist your needs and make you a priority. This is Tasha with Customer Service.
Our team is dedicated to customer service. We will always answer your call and greet you in the lobby.
I would like you to meet Carrie. She is our installs and sales dispatcher.
I will make sure you get the best service.
Tina is over our heating and air. She does our tune-ups and repairs.
I love the fact that it's like my second family.
Then we have Brian. He is our electrical dispatcher. He does generators and electrical repairs.
I'm your man.
And of course, Christina. She is our plumbing dispatcher, water heaters, softeners, and repairs.
We are real people with real solutions.
Our area is situated right across the hall from the technicians' managers, which makes it easier to communicate and provide excellent service.
First, call you all, the fast service people.